When I was in my mid-40s, I had a personal tragedy in my own life, and it involved me going through the process of getting a divorce where things went poorly and resulted in the tragic death of my husband by suicide. And I felt like the representation I received in that case was not really adequate to meet my needs. So I changed my life. It's not like I was some college kid who right out of college goes straight to law school and they're practicing law and they're 25 years old and they don't know anything. So I made the change. I moved to change my life completely in order to address and help people through those difficult times of their life where they need a lawyer who not only can handle the legal issues in the case, but can understand and work with the emotional issues that are being dealt with as well. One of the biggest needs that I see of people coming into my office is they need someone to talk to who can listen and understand. And from the bits and pieces of the story that they tell, figure out how best to address the situation legally, as well as protect them as best as possible legally from any additional emotional damage that they're going to take. And so I think just being able to spend my time and lend my ear to people has been tremendously valuable to them. And then being able to weave that in together to finding a legal solution for them. I handle a variety of cases in the family law area, including a divorce. If you've decided you and your spouse need to go on your own separate paths, then I can help facilitate that. I can also do what are called enforcement cases, which means you've got a court order that says, I see the child the first, third, and fifth weekends of the month, but your ex never makes the child available for you, so you're not seeing your child. And these cases are very poignant, mainly fathers who are not being given access to their children, and they need some help getting to see their children, which is important to both them and their children. There are some parents who are paying way too much child support, some parents who are not paying enough. That may need to be adjusted either way depending upon the case. So all of those things that are done post-divorce are post-original order if there was never a marriage concerning your children. I handled all of those types of issues. There is also issues of enforcement for child support. If you're not getting your money and you're not getting satisfaction from the Attorney General's office on how your case is being handled, you can hire a private attorney to bring an action to enforce your obligation to receive child support. So enforcement involves not only enforcement of visitation, but enforcement of child support. In my family law practice, I also encounter situations where some criminal behavior may arise. Sometimes it's my client that's getting in trouble. Sometimes it's my client's spouse or ex-spouse that's getting in trouble. But if it's my client especially, and then I can also provide the services of assisting them with these criminal matters concerning the family issues, such as assault and violations of protective orders, terroristic threats, these types of issues. These types of cases are very delicate because the defense attorney needs to understand certainly your client may have committed that offense. It's also quite possible when a family law case is pending that was a complete fabrication on the part of their spouse or ex-spouse or significant other. And that makes this case very delicate because they're going to try and use it in the family law case. They may have made it up. They certainly have a motive for having fabricated charges. But you need to be very careful with that because there may also be real issues there that need to be addressed. So these are delicate cases that can affect your family law case. And I also work on those in their criminal defense because they're really tied together and intimately interconnected. If you're at a time in your life where you need legal representation to get you through the problems that you're having now, whatever they may be, and you need an aggressive attorney who can also understand the issues that you have been going through, then please give me a call. Set up an appointment. Come in, let's meet and see if I am the right person to represent you and help you through these difficult times. Give me a call.